Alright, what's up buddies, VloggyBuddy, and welcome back to another stream. We are going to be doing Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. Oh man, I've been meaning to play this game for a very long time, and the time is now. So it says it's installing up there, but I don't know if it's going to if it's going to get in the way of me playing the game. I'm going to be going through the story. I actually think that there's going to be a lot of cutscenes. I think this game is very cutscene heavy, so I'm going to be shutting up for most of the stream, you know, except when I'm fighting. But yeah, it's a very good story. That's why I bought this game. I'm not a big fan of fighters. Hey Toby, welcome. I'm not a big fan of fighter games. I am really not. I hate fighter. I think they're all the same, really. But I bought this for the story, because apparently it's a very, very good story. It's very solid, and like I said, I'll be shutting up. Yay for you guys! You're gonna enjoy the silence. There was also also one more thing, and I forgot what it was. Yeah, the next fighting them that I'll get will be Dragon Ball next year. So yeah, all right, let's get on with it. Move the laptop out of my way because it's kind of getting in the way of my field of view. Hold on. Hey Roderick, I used to play it a long time ago. Yes, because this game keeps coming out, keeps getting re-released, Roderick. I think they've been releasing this since the old arcade games. You know, the coin-operated vending machines, gaming machines. Hey, let me live. Welcome, Dragonborg. So yeah, they keep that's why I hate fighting games, because basically I think they're all the same, you know, except for some graphical improvements. Fighting games are all the same. The reason why I actually bought this game is because of the story. Apparently it's a very, very, very good story, apparently. They put the Infinity Stones in the story, so... And I don't know, I like the idea of Chris Redfield leading the Avengers. I don't know, I love that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Now I'm gonna shut up, and I'm gonna start the game. Story. You can't play this mode yet since the data installation is incomplete. Once the installation has finished. Come on, man! How much longer? Do you guys want to talk about something in the meantime? No, what a fail, man! It says it's installing. I don't think you can see it because of the notifications. Oh, man! I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't know how long. You see, the thing is this. When I put in the disc, it copied like 8 GB of data from the disc to the PlayStation, and after it was done, it needed to download an additional 10 GB, which is even more than there was on the disc, an additional 10 GB of content. And I'm annoyed now, because I don't know how long this is going to take to install. God dang it, is there any way I can check the progress of how long it takes to install? Bork, 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 bork. Man, what am I gonna do? It's still installing. God dang it! What a fail! Let's go through settings. Why not? Language, and I'm gonna English. Apply language. Okay, but I was hoping for. It's still installing. My goodness. I like Bork Rider. I think Bork Rider's gonna be there. There's Nemesis for sure. Stars. I cannot do it properly. Let me try again. Stars. Ah, it's installing. So let me check the settings again. Let's see. Sound. Cutscenes. What's this? Ah, sound and cutscenes, sound and voice chat, sound, voice volume, battle commentary. I wanted to see if there's anything like. Subtitles, there we go. No, not during the battle though, during the story. There we go. Subtitles on during the story. Controller settings. Hey, Cheers here! Pants! That's what Cheers cares about. His 2 pants points. But everything's about the 2, apparently. 2 hours and 2 points. Oh man. So yeah, that's what's going on basically in my life. I think I spent half my life waiting for things to install. I'm gonna have a sip of wine, because why not? and I'm drinking wine like a PMSing lady, straight from the bottle. I didn't even bother with a glass. One of these days I'll do a face cam doing that. Straight from the bottle. Man, how long is it gonna take to install? Oh, I noticed that story is actually blacked out. Look at that. Ah, man. You know, if I knew this was gonna happen, I would have set up something else to play in the meantime while it installs. Like, I don't know, some Quiplash or something. This is terrible, man. This is terrible. I may have to edit the VOD, the VOD. I will have to edit this and just start when it starts, when the actual gameplay starts, because I don't want somebody to start watching the VOD from installing the game. God dang it. It's gonna take forever. It's not... It's going good. My Last of Us got done downloading. You're gonna love it. Is it your first time playing it, Toby? Is it gonna be like a blind run? You should stream that. Me, Amy, everybody will backseat you. Sakura. I didn't know Fortnite was on PC as well. Is the sound of the stream okay? Can you hear the music of the title screen? Ah, you got it on PS3, but you never finished it. Oh, audio's loud and clear. Oh man, how long is it gonna take? Hello? I'm worried this might take a while, huh? Edit fighter card. What is this? R1. It's something that I cannot check. Man, I was so looking forward to the story. The story is amazing, huh? So yeah, this week I'll be playing 2 new releases. I'm playing this, and either tomorrow or the day after I'll be playing Cuphead. It's been a while since I bought a game on Steam. I wish there was like some sort of progress bar so I have an idea how far it is in installing. You think True has Fortnite? I don't know. Haven't spoken to True in ages. True has abandoned us for the real world. This is lame. This is very lame. I am very sorry, guys. I am very, 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 very sorry. I have no idea how long it's gonna take. That's the thing. Because if I knew that it has another 10 minutes to go, at least. Oh, I can play training though. I can play some training. We're gonna have to do that. Unknown training chamber. Okay, so it's the only one. Oh, hello. Look at this guy over here. Do you know this guy? You know this guy? Stars. How cool. I'm gonna go for it. Nemesis. How cool is this Nemesis? Look at this. Turquoise Nemesis. There's only 2 colors available for the time being. Oh, he's a secondary character. Okay, so it's Nemesis and Hulk. It's like 2 monsters, man.
Hulk! Those things smile too much. Make Hulk mad!
Power stones. Reality Stone, the Power Stone, the Space Stone, the Time Stone, the Mind Stone, the Soul Stone. Alright, so I'm gonna choose the Time Stone because it's green. I don't know, it's pretty green. Now, who are we gonna fight? Oh, I choose. Okay, so we're gonna. So it's 2 monsters. Now, who is against Hulk? No, first against Nemesis. Obviously, goes without saying. The guy that goes against Nemesis is... Where is he? I don't see him. I don't see him. Where is he? Actually, oh, there he is. I see him now.
Chris! This is Chris, ready to move
I like
out.
that they use the same voice actor for, you know, for Marvel vs. Capcom. I appreciate that. I really do. Ah, how cool! I like that. Now, I don't know, maybe we'll go with Iron Man? Why not? Let's go with Iron Man.
Iron Man!
You better not slow me down.
Ah, how cool, Black Iron Man. This is awesome. And which stone are we gonna give them? Let's give them the reality stone because it's red. It's nice and pretty in red.
Who will prevail? Fight!
Oh, he's not gonna... Oh, he's not gonna attack.
First attack.
How cool. Stars. Hup, 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 hup. Okay. Look at him, he's drooling. Nemesis is drooling. How cool is that? How can I do this? I want him to attack me as well, though. How can I do this? Start position. Hey, beaver! I think I'm becoming a mouse. How do I do this? Oh, he's just a dummy. Auto recovery. How do I do this? Oh well, let's practice. I have no idea what I'm doing really, but I just want to play the game. This is not the game. over here? Hold on. It's taking forever to install, that's annoying. Alright, so I get what's going on. It gets like tentacles coming out. Oh, I don't like this though. I want to play the game. I want to play the freaking game. Action, standing, crouching, jumping, super jumping. What? Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Whoa.
Maxima. Iron Man. Good.
That was awesome! Alright,
Reality stone. Iron That's mine. Ugly thing. Unity.
let's see Nemesis dealing with Iron Man.
Time to go all out. Maxima. Good. Flag ready. Slam down. Iron Man. Target acquired. Here's the big one. Proton cannon.
That was awesome.
Back off. Twist. Iron Man. Time to go all out. Cartridge. Here's the big one. Proton cannon.
That is awesome.
Fight. Reload. Fight. It's all or nothing. Not out. Fight. Iron Man. Time stone. Time stone. Chris. What's mine? Time. Now hope really angry. Fight. Got you. Gamma Crush. Got you. Gamma Crush. Iron Man.
Oh, it's done installing. Bye, have a great time. Okay, it's done installing. It's done. It's done. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Sorry about this. I'm very sorry it took forever to install. It's not my it's not my fault. All right, but it's done installing, guys. As I said earlier, this game is very cutscene heavy, from what I can understand. So I'm gonna be quiet for a while. All right, because obviously I want to enjoy the story. I want you guys to enjoy the story. So here we go. No, obviously. Alright. You see, we're not allowed to stream it, technically, but I have a capture card. I'm gonna shut up now, guys. Enjoy the movie.
We are born of two universes, each of them imperfect, each afflicted with the cancer of organic life. From their ruins, a new universe shall be forged, in the fire of the stones of reality and space. All life remade in our image, in steel, free from the sins of the flesh. We are Ultron Sigma. We are your god.
Strider!
Captain America, our teams are in position. The enemy's forces are massing at the palace gates.
Then let's not keep them waiting. Heroes, move out!
It's awesome. I love it. I think this is the demo part that I played last summer.
I'll lend you my shield anytime.
With us together, this'll be a sin.
We're just gonna fight a few drones.
Ready.
Score a hit with a light punch. Alright, okay, wherever.
Fight! Attack! Air combo! Display! Danger! Great!
Oh, these. Alright, there we go. There we go. We took two down. Well, there's like hundreds and thousands of them, so.
Stay down! Chun-Li?
Captain Marvel? Shall we?
Hey Julian, welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep my mouth shut during the cutscenes because it's really awesome. I had a great day. My day's pretty much over now. Just enjoying the last bit of the day things on video games. And the day was
Know when
great.
to quit, do you?
Here they come!
Ready!
Fight!
Fight!
Alright.
First attack! Counter! Counter! Counter!
You're gonna feel this! Power Blaster!
Good!
Chun-Li!
What? There's two of them? At the same time? That's awesome.
Down! Counter! Level 2 air combo!
You're open!
Level 2!
Not yet!
Good!
Ready for round 3?
Different streets, same fight.
Ah, awesome. Did you get the reference? She referenced Street Fighter. Different street, same fight.
Doctor Strange!
Heroes of both dimensions, welcome to ours. The Prince of Asgard has come home. Go, show him what we've made of you.
Vengeance for Asgard! Sir Arthur, not bad for one so small.
And you, Thor, are indeed mighty for a heathen god. What's this? Fresh fodder!
No, stay your lance! My people. What has become of them?
Thor.
No need to panic, big guy. They're just taking a nap. They'll be fine. Eventually.
Stark? Spencer?
Nice. Weapon, Lance, a little. Compensating for something?
Only your foolishness, Iron Man.
Ha ha! I like him!
That was hilarious. I love that. Compensating for something?
Ready! Fight! Block my foe! Yeah! Block my foe! Excellent! Block my foe! Danger! Feel my might! Smashing structure! Air combo!
I love that this guy is from Ghosts and Goblins, a franchise that Capcom forgot. It's funny how that they used him. Maybe they plan on bringing him back. Maybe that's why they brought him back, this character. I don't know. Man, he dodged it big time. Let's try again. What, Ghosts and Goblins? Yes, Ghosts and Goblins was hard. It's one of my favorite games, actually. I will play it here. I have it on the PSP.
7-6. 8-6. 9-6. Come on, Hawkeye. Man, this is getting embarrassing. Let's call it a tie.
Yo, Dante. Out of ammo. Can the ladies come out to play?
For you, Rocket, anything. Be good.
Ebony, Ivory, care to dance?
I love how Dante and Rocket are teaming up. It's fantastic. Hey, Big Boss. I don't think I said hello to you. Welcome, buddy. I'm sorry about that. I'm stupid. Let's go.
Ready!
Come on, Rocket. Show them what you're made of.
Here's a bonus.
He's defending, huh?
Here's a bonus. Here's a bonus. Down move. Let's dance. Now this is what I call fun. Die.
Wonderful! Air combat!
You're in my sights. Let's rock. You're in my sights. Incoming. Over here. Get that. Over here. And finish.
Wonderful!
In your face. Let's dance.
That was awesome.
Damn, these things are like cockroaches.
Have care, Commander Redfield. These were once my people. Even now they fight well.
This was my home too, Thor. Ultron Sigma's going to pay for what he's done.
I actually don't get that. Why did Mega Man say that this was his home as well? Isn't this Asgard, like... Does Mega Man live in Asgard? I don't get that.
Ready! Fight!
I love it that you fight two people at the same time. It's awesome. Alright, maybe something like that. Cheer, yeah, I don't know.
Courage, friend. I swear I will release you from Ultron Sigma's grasp, or die trying.
Where's Dr. Strange?
Captain?
Doctor, can you get us in?
The convergence has left Asgard's magic weakened. We can breach the prison's walls from here.
Good. Commander Redfield. Chris, you ready? I'll take that as a yes.
This prisoner better have the answers we need.
He will.
He has to. Or this is the end.
You're right, Cheer. I noticed the background. That was like a city. Exactly. That was awesome. The words have combined.
Doctor?
Do you feel it? This psychic maelstrom of torment and despair.
Yeah, it sucks.
Every prison's the same.
Yeah, done a lot of hard time, huh?
No. But I've put a lot of punks like you away.
Hmm?
Halt!
It's so awesome seeing Redfield with them. Hey Juan, Tony Stark sucks. Get out of here. Get out of here.
We can't let them sound the alarm. Take them down!
So much for the secret mission.
Ready! Fight!
What the heck? What do you do? Chris!
Chris! 1, 2, here's a frag ready!
Oh no.
Slam down! Suck on this!
Let's still hit him with the grenade launcher at least.
1, 2, here's another stay down! Air combo! 1, 2, shotgun! 1, 2! Time for overkill! Grenade launcher! Suck on this! That's rocket danger! Air combo! Good!
One.
This is it.
Oh no. Nah, bad idea.
Rocket? What is it?
Seriously? You know who this is, right? Doc, back me up here!
Commander.
We've got a job to do.
We're not leaving without him!
We can't hold these guys off forever!
Redfield knows what he's doing.
They're a small team. Agile. They'll get the job done.
Cap, this is Hawkeye. We're out of time. He's coming.
You see Ultron Sigma?
I've got a clear shot.
Take it. All teams, engage! Go, go, go!
Taste my steel! No!
You still dare challenge us, Prince of Asgard?
You shall pay for what you've done to my people! Spencer, with me!
So awesome, hey, everybody loves Arthur. Everybody loves Arthur. Aren't you guys surprised though that they included him in Marvel vs. Capcom? It's a franchise that they forgot about. It's one of the franchises that Capcom forgot about.
I shall remove you from that throne, villain!
Fools, our will is law. We will destroy you.
Ready!
Maybe it's just an indication. Maybe they are gonna bring him back. I don't know. Ultron Sigma's gonna trash me, huh? I mean, that's what he did in the demo. I don't know if it's gonna happen again. Now, Ultron Sigma. Come on. There we go. Look at his health! Nothing's happening!
Command you, dog!
I can't even switch! It's not even giving me time!
Useless waste. This is perfect.
He even get started. He trashed me.
Yes!
Pitiful. Do you see now how powerless you truly are? Not for your people, Thor. They have achieved perfection. And soon, you shall be their prince once more. Commander Redfield, did you have something to add? Some great insight?
You're going down, Ultron Sigma!
That's it? Some banal cliché? It's fitting that those would be your final words.
Doctor, get us out of here! With pleasure, Captain!
Good.
Our intel was right. Ultron Sigma has 2 of the Infinite Six.
The stones you spoke of.
6 cosmic stones of infinite power.
And probably the cause of all this mess.
If he has 2, where are the other 4?
That's what we're here to find out.
Thor, you sure you're all right?
Thank you, my friend. But it will take more than a candy-colored cloud to slay the God of Thunder. Save your concern for the people of Asgard.
The mask appears to be some kind of neuroinhibitor, suppressing the captive's psionic abilities. This is no small task, but I was able to generate a containment field that emulates that effect. We're ready to remove his restraints.
Good. Do it.
Hold that thought. Tell me you're not seriously planning on taking that thing off him.
We need him to talk.
I'll make him talk.
You think the prisoner can lead us to these Infinity Stones?
Stark and Rocket say he's dangerous.
No, I said insanely dangerous. Please, will somebody just tell me who he is?
Thanos, the Mad Titan. Cosmic warlord / lunatic. And Death's boy toy.
Death.
You know, the Grim Reaper, but she's a lady or a skeleton lady. It's complicated. Anyway, Loverboy here's almost destroyed the universe multiple times trying to impress her.
And you want to give him access to these stones? There must be some other way.
We're out of options and out of time. Take off the mask.
I'm sorry, Cap. I can't let you do it.
This is where the the Civil War 2.0 starts, I think.
I'm ready for any fight.
Hope you paid up on your health insurance.
Oh man, the game put me on Captain America's side.
Fight! Charging star! Charging star! Take this! Trick shield! Reaper! Charging star!
And actually, it's not one button combos, it's two.
Super! Dante! Right there! Counter! Counter! Rocket! Counter!
Unity!
Cap! Danger! Put him up! Take this! Shield slash! Charging star! Charging star! Charging star! Take this! Take this! Dante! Right there! This way! Get down! Over here!
Come on!
Get down!
Unity!
Mixing it up! Back off! Next! Yahoo!
Try again.
Jackpot! Next! Yahoo! Jackpot!
Unity!
You're in my sights! You're in my sights!
Unity! Unity! Elite!
Cap!
Rocket!
Uh-oh.
Let's do this! Hold this!
Charging star! Charging star! Charging star!
Unity! Unity!
Charging star! Shield slash! Charging star!
Elite!
Reaper! Charging star!
Rip Iron Man.
Great! Shield slash! Trick shield! Good!
Oh my goodness. Okay.
You're open!
You're in my
There we go. Wow. Stark is the voice of reason.
Enough! I understand why you hesitate. We have all lost something. Friends, family, a home. But with the power of the Infinity Stones, we can defeat Ultron Sigma, undo the horrors he has wrought. Asgard might rise once more. The dead might live again.
Yeah, because that always works out great.
Thanos alone can lead us to the Infinity Stones. He is bound to them. It is the only way.
Yeah, well, I want it on record that this is a bad idea. If this goes south, if your bloodhound slips his leash, it's on you.
Go ahead, Doctor. Remove the mask.
By the vapors of Valtor, which do all things conceal.
You have doomed yourselves. The imminent danger comes not from me, but from one of your own.
What the hell's happening to him?
He's infected with the Sigma virus.
Careful! There's still a chance he's alive in there. Take him down easy.
Awesome. I told you the game is very cutscene heavy, the story mode. I like that.
Easy? You gotta be kidding me!
Forgive me, my friend, but this must be done.
Ready!
Well, he's on his own. There's two of us and we're good.
Triple arrow! Triple stick! Right on the mark! Gimli!
Wow. That's not a good start.
Super! Here we go!
Air combo! Counter! Cool! Air combo! Counter! Danger! Level 1! Counter! Yeah!
I like how there's Thanos in the background in the cage. You see him? Yeah, of course from memory. I'm gonna play that game one of these days. I loved that. You have no idea how much money I spent. How much money I spent in the arcade playing this game. To me, Arthur has a very sentimental, you know, nostalgia. Come on, throw the spears or whatever they're called, the javelins. Oh no, he's gonna trash me. No! Alright, that's okay. I've still got Hawkeye.
Right on the mark!
GG.
Tiresome creatures. Why do you resist?
Ultron Sigma!
In the flesh, as it were. Though not our own. We had a dream. Our two diseased realities united to form a single perfect universe. With all biological life remade in our image. Yet still, here you are.
You'll find we're stubborn like that.
Yes, but you'll change. As your companion Thor has. He is a part of us now. Purified. Immaculate. The Sigma virus will infect you all in time. Accept our gift, or be destroyed.
He's trying to go to Ultron Sigma. Stop him!
Cap, Quinjet 1 is back.
What now?
It's Gamora!
We got the tower's SOS and headed home.
Nova, glad you're safe. It's been a long day. What did you find up there on No Moon?
Trouble.
Ultron Sigma has formed an alliance with No Moon's Imperator, Grandmaster Mayo. They are massing an army against us. Their numbers growing each day.
Hey, Gamora. That's my favorite assassin.
Rocket.
There's more. Mayo is testing some kind of biological weapon. A gas. The Sigma virus.
Gamora, there's something you should know. We have Thanos. Thanos? You brought him here? Why?
If we're gonna stop Ultron Sigma, we need the Infinity Stones.
He will not help you. And if by some chance Thanos does obtain the stones, he will show us no mercy. He raised you as his own. Convince him.
Daughter, have you come to beg for my help?
You would let Ultron Sigma have his way? Soon there will be no one left for you to slay for your mistress' death. You have no choice. Help us.
Release me, and I will give you what you want.
No deal, Thanos.
Yeah, if trust is a two-way street, right now you're lying in a ditch at the side of the road.
Give us cause to trust you. Help us to find the Infinity Stones.
Very well. I will guide you to them. There are 6 stones, each granting its bearer dominion over some facet of existence. Ultron Sigma has 2, of reality and space. Those of time, of the soul, of power, and of the mind are still to be found. Assemble your teams. There is much to be done.
Follow them. They will lead us to the stones. Soon, the Infinite Six will be ours.
The Time Stone has concealed itself behind a barrier. Beyond time. In a place Ultron Sigma knows nothing of. And cannot reach.
King T'Challa, the captive.
Your Majesty,
I know who you are, Ryu. What business have you in Valkonda?
I was part of a research mission, studying anomalies caused by the convergence of our 2 universes. Our craft became caught in some vortex. The pilot lost control. Only one other survived the crash. A scientist.
And where is this scientist?
He's here.
Banner.
Hulk! Remember what I taught you. You must control your rage.
How cool is that? So hello Midland, hello red or indigo or blue or orange or yellow, whatever you want to call yourself these days. Welcome to the stream. I am Groot. Hold on, my controller's down. Oh my goodness. So Hadouken! Alright, that's awesome. So apparently Bruce Banner trained with Ryu, and Ryu taught him how to control his rage. That is awesome. Hadouken! Hadouken! Shoryuken! Uh oh, that's not good. I'm on danger already. Hadouken! Give me the Hadouken! Alright, I'm gonna switch, I'm gonna switch! Oh, there's nobody to switch, it's just me versus him. Okay, the first death. This is the first rip. Hey, Coffee Bird, I like your username. Welcome to the stream. Continue, of course. No, I'm gonna quit. Yes. Continue at lower difficulty. That's a very interesting option. No, I'm gonna continue as it is.
Ready.
I'm gonna trash you now.
Fight!
Hadouken! I always have a hard time doing the Hadouken. Kamehameha! So yeah, my next fighting game will be in 2018. Dragon Ball. Fighter of Z or something like that it's called. This time I trashed him to trash them. Actually, he almost trashed me. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, he killed me again. Alright. It's getting hard now. Giggity.
Yes.
Try again.
Continue. Level 1. Fight. Level 1. Impressive.
Broken. Crap, I'm gonna die again. I'm gonna do the shiny giveaway very soon, actually.
Level 1.
Come on, Hulk. Come to your senses. Oh, come on! I was doing my thing! Ah, come on, man. Continue. Yes.
Level 1. Fight.
Somebody mentioned how much quarters they used to put in the, well, quarters, 10 cents or whatever, in the Simpsons machine. Yeah, I was guilty of the same thing as well when I was a kid. The Simpsons machine took a lot of my money. Also, Wonder Boy, Asterix, man, those games. Metal Slug. I can do this. Oh, come on, so close! So close! Protosam is here! Ah, hello! I was thinking of you when I was playing. Yes! My wired connection just died, so I switched to Wi-Fi now. Alright, we're back. Can somebody confirm in chat right now that it's back? Yeah, Ultron hacked my Steam, Hulk smashed my stream. I'm sorry about that. Am I back? Can somebody confirm that? Should be okay now, yes? Come on, let me just make sure again. It's back, yes, boss. Your boss. Thank you for confirming that. Sorry about that, that was weird. I don't know. My wired connection died, so I switched to Wi-Fi now. It's funny how Wi-Fi is more reliable here. Alright, I'm gonna die, judging from the menu, but we're gonna do that. Let's go. I can do this. It's very strong, huh? Crap. Yes! Alright, whew. That was hard.
We have more visitors.
It's good to see you, old friend.
You seek the Stone of Time.
Straight to the point.
We do. Then you have had a wasted journey. I will not give up that which protects my kingdom.
Will not? Do you know what's happening out there? We're at war. Asgard has
Without
fallen.
the stone's power, Valkanda will also fall. I'm sorry, my friend. My duty is to this kingdom and my people. The time barrier must hold.
You'd lock your people away behind this barrier forever? This isn't a kingdom. It's a prison.
I don't know who you are, friend, but you will show T'Challa respect. Ultron Sigma's drones! The barrier's breached!
They followed us through!
Okay, so it's no longer safe. I like the design of, what's his name? Black Panther.
Careful! These guys are a handful! Keep them contained!
Ready!
There's 5 of them.
Fight! Good! Danger! Good!
There we go. That's one. Switch.
Unleash! Good!
Ooh.
Danger!
Whoa. 2 of them at the same time. That is awesome. I love that. Can I hit them both with my shield? Not when they're both on each side. Come on. I can throw my shield one side and then fight the other. Oh, nice. I can do this now. Ah, one of them jumped it. This is the last one.
Stars and stripes. Take this. Stars and stripes.
Last gem. Last gem is actually in Professor Axe's pants. There you go.
Yes.
The virus.
This is our gift to your people, T'Challa. Immortality.
What is...
Something ancient. Yet changed. The Elder Dragon. Daren Moran. It's infected with the Sigma virus. And in a frenzy.
Hulk and I will defend the town.
I love how Hulk grabbed Ryu or Ryu, whatever. Ryu or Ryu? Is it Ryu or Ryu? Anyway, I love how he grabbed them. You come with me. Come with me if you want to live.
Hulk, you know what to do.
Smash!
ready!
Defeat all the enemies before the city is destroyed. The city will suffer damage the longer the more. And the old windows attack it. Alright, so how many? I have 12 of them? Alright, but at least I'm the Hulk, so here we go.
Fight!
Oh, smash! Smash! I love the Hulk. Right, I destroyed. I've got 9 to go already, so we're good. 8 to go. Yo, what? Oh, smash! Let's do it again. Ah, they defended now. That's fine. 6 to go. They're getting tougher though, I think. Alright, how many to go? 3 to go. Alright, we did it, I think.
Yes! Hulk!
Enough control.
The infection will spread unchecked across Valkonda. Carried on the wind. If I didn't know the kind of man you are, Captain, I would almost think you led them here.
T'Challa. Time has caught up with Valkonda. The stone cannot shield you any longer. But armed with its power, we have a chance to fight back. To save your people. To save all worlds.
And if we can't save them, then I swear we will...
Avenge them?
No. Find them justice.
You speak wisdom, Chun-Li. If a king cannot see when he must change, then he is not fit to lead his people. Take it and go. Valkonda needs its king.
The Mind Stone is concealed not far from here, in a secret laboratory deep beneath the headquarters of the Umbrella Corporation.
Okay, Tower, I'm in. Stark? The walls must be shielded. This has Umbrella's stench all over it.
And all this time, right under our noses, huh?
Spider-Man. Damn it, I could have killed you.
Many have tried. Ooh, creepy place, huh? Stark called. Figured you could use some help.
I told him I don't need help. I'll get the job done faster alone.
Totally understand. Guess I'll just, Huh? Leave you guys to it then.
Okay, I am mind blown right now. Hey Sakura! I am mind blown right now. So what's this AI Umbrella? I've never heard of it. Is it something new from Capcom? Are they gonna release a new Umbrella? Is that who Chris is working for in Umbrella, in RE7? AI Umbrella.
Ready.
Look! We're fighting BOWs as Chris! This is so awesome, man! Come on! This is fantastic! AI Umbrella? Was like a Crimson Head or something? This is so awesome, man! I didn't think I would be fighting. One for Astero! How cool is this? I never expected this. We're in an Umbrella facility fighting BOWs. This is so awesome. Where's the other one? There he is. Man! AIM! I never heard of AI Umbrella. This is amazing. Is this something new? Okay. My turn. Grenade launcher. Oh, grenade launcher. My turn.
Frag ready! Plant down! Back up! Does that do it? Yes!
How cool is this, man? I love this. I'm fanboying hard right now. Because this AI Umbrella, what is it? And where are these guys? Is this something new? Is this who Chris is working for in RE7? AI Umbrella? I don't know. I shut up now.
We're clear.
No. There's something else. Something ugly. Something malignant. Frank West, ladies and gentlemen!
Okay. You got me.
What the hell are you doing here?
What?
He's been tailing me for the past hour. And for an investigative photojournalist, you were really bad at it. Ow! So...
Alright, listen. A few weeks ago, I started hearing these wild rumors. Disappearances, sightings of monsters. It's really weird stuff. So I started looking into it. Turns out, every one of these incidents happened within a 3-mile radius of this facility. Coincidence? I was staking the place out when you showed up. Look, I'm telling you this story's big. Maybe the biggest of my career.
Get out of here now, and maybe you'll live to tell it. I don't have time to play nursemaid.
Hey, I'm not some cub reporter. I've covered wars, you know.
Fine. Just stay out of my way, and don't touch anything.
Huh? God. This is great! Frank West, Pulitzer Prize-winning photojournalist. I like the sound of that.
What the... They're turning people into... monsters.
Living weapons. BOWs. And something else. Something alien. But what?
Check it out. This one's still fresh. It's the mayor, Mike Hagar.
Is he alive?
You just kidnapped the wrong mayor, buddy.
Okay, so many questions right now. What's going on? Alright, I agree with Sakura. This Chris is ugly. But I love it. Is that Frank West? Is this Dead Rising? I never played the Dead Rising game in my life. So that's Frank West from Dead Rising, yes? He has dealt with zombies as well.
Ready. Fight.
And I like that Frank West, and what the heck is he fighting with? A toilet plunger? What's that? Alright, Hagar is very weak. When he said it's the mayor, actually at first I thought it was like... I thought it was... Oh wow, I thought it was Chief Irons. Look at his face, he looks like Chief Irons from Mario 2. But I love it, man. There's Spider-Man and Chris Redfield working together. And they're in the Umbrella facility, or AI Umbrella, whatever. They're dealing with BOWs. And that's the thing. I mean, Frank West and Chris Redfield have a lot in common, but they don't seem to like each other. I want to play a Dead Rising game one of these days. I think it's good. But just for fun, it's a casual game. I don't think there's a story mode to that game, is there? Come on, Hagar, whatever your name is, let's go. Chief Iron. Yeah, I know, right?
Hey, chill! We're not your...
I'm not done with you punks yet!
We're here to rescue you!
Spider-Man? What the hell's going on?
Long story, Mr. Mayor. Do you remember how you got here?
I was in my office at City Hall, doing paperwork.
Without a shirt on?
Next thing I know, I'm here, choking out Frank West.
Not for the first time.
What is this place?
Quiet. I hear voices.
Hey, I know this egghead. It's MODOK, Umbrella's freak show leader.
The parasite is not mutating as anticipated. I require more time.
There is no more time. Perhaps your arrogance outstrips your intellect.
My intellect is unmatched. You shall have your army. Now leave me. I must work.
Do not fail me, MODOK.
Uh-oh! Having trouble with your lab partner?
Intruders! My children, to war!
Also, there's something else I noticed. The BOWs that Umbrella's creating, alright, it seems that they're using the symbiote, Venom symbiote, to do it. It's such a mishmash of universes. I love it. Look at them. They look like semi-Carnage, semi-Crimson Heads,
they got that same ugly mug of yours.
Ready.
Can you defeat the great MODOK's brilliant masterpiece? Do it against the great MODOK!
My spider sense is tingling. Maximum spider! Having fun? Huh. I don't think you get it.
Your intelligence is so minuscule. Your intelligence is so minuscule. Your intelligence is so minuscule.
Let me borrow this!
My experimental guinea pigs have arrived.
Level 3.
Bro, what you talking about? I'm dying.
Danger level 1.
Where's the other one? There he is. There's two of them!
Get ready! Now's my chance! This webbing's custom made! Tensile strength formula! Sorry, trade secret.
Your intelligence is so
I never played a Marvel vs. Capcom game in my life, ever. I'm gonna be honest with you. Because I always thought there was too much explosions and you can't see anything. It's just too much blasts and explosions. Says the guy that loves playing Dragon Ball, but anyway.
No. Friend of yours?
Stars. Nemesis.
Stars. I love Nemesis. Say, Umbrella created Nemesis again.
Nemesis has been waiting for you.
You're gonna be seeing more than stars when I'm done with you, ugly.
That is awesome! Did you see what he told him? You're gonna see more than stars when I'm done with you. I'm gonna get rid of the BOW first, and then I'll take care of Nemesis. Alright, he's down, so I'll just take care of Nemesis now. Stars! Who's the other guy? Oh, the mayor! Okay. So I'll replace with the mayor when I'm getting trashed.
Well done. Frag ready! Flat down! That do it? Yes! Good! Agar!
What, there's another BOW? Soccer, did you get your capture card?
Your intelligence is so minuscule.
Alright, that's it. Time to power up. I'm getting trashed.
Can you take this?
What? That's it.
You're finished! Can you take this? You're
That's
finished!
awesome. That's what I want. It's amazing that I have to deal with two people at the same time. That's... You don't have a splitter. Okay, that's not hard to get though.
Nice try, Mo Dork.
It's MODOK!
Whatever.
We've come for the stone.
Fools! You'll never take them. Ah! The Mind Stone! No! No!
Shut it down. Shut it down now!
I can't! Something's forcing its way through!
It's here! Our masterpiece! You'll regret the day you dared cross MODOK!
Oh boy. We need to go! We need to go now!
The Soul Stone lies in another realm, by far the furthest from your reach.
Tell me, Ryder. Is it business that brings you here? Or pleasure?
Vengeance.
Ah, a bit of both.
1,000,000 innocent souls have been stolen from the Earth. I seek vengeance against the one responsible.
Then look into my eyes. What do you see?
You are guilty of many things, Succubus, but not of this.
I sense such desire in you. A fire.
For justice, for retribution.
Not for me. Or for me. Oh. No. A pity. We have so much in common. Our passion, great bone structure. But if you will not give me what I need, I will take it from you.
So much giggity. Oh man, it's so hard to resist the giggity jokes that I had. Oh my goodness. Let's start from the fact she told him to look in her eyes. I'm sorry, I can't look at your eyes. There's something else that's distracting me. I cannot look up at your eyes. There's something else that's distracting me.
Ready.
Oh man, who is this girl anymore again? I have no idea which game is this? Where is this from? I have no idea. Julian's still here. I was expecting your comments about Ghost Rider, because we had a conversation with me about this. Oh man.
Did a bad one.
And then she was like, such lovely bone structure. Bone giggity. Come on, man! Come on! In fact, because of all these just, she's even distracting me, and I'm confused now. She's distracting me and she's defeating me.
Face me! Vengeance awaits!
Did a bad one.
Face me!
She's defending.
Vengeance awaits!
Ah man. And there was another thing. Oh yeah, then she multiplied herself in 2 or something. I'm like, what? What? 2 of them? Twins? Twins? I died. I'm sorry. Too many jokes. Too much giggity. I had to. I'm sorry. Alright. Let me just get over the fact that there's more boobs than than girl. I honestly have no idea who this girl is, from which game. Yes, Cheer, help me focus. How am I gonna focus? I'll give you twins. Sorry, honestly, I have no idea who this girl is. I'm gonna be honest with you. When I saw her in the trailer, alright, I'm like, I have no idea who this girl is, what her name is, which game is she from. I thought her name was Sakura. I thought this was you, Sakura. Is it you? Oh my goodness. Let's go. No more giggity. Now I'm gonna trash her. Man, her projectiles are very slow.
You're a bad one.
I can't hit her with my special attack. She's strong, huh? What's going on? Is she a nerd? Ah man, she's stretching me. I haven't been able to land one hit on her.
Can you dodge this? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Yeah, something like that.
You're a bad one.
Be gone! You dare touch me!
Stop it!
Continue.
She's trashing me. I think she's distracted by using her boobies. She's using her boobies. I have a weakness against boobies. I like to move it, move it! I like to move it, move it! That's what she's saying. Move it! I hate her slow projectiles. always defends herself.
Vengeance away!
Can you dodge this?
Oh, really? Is it weird to say that I love his trousers? I like Ghost Rider's trousers. Are they in fashion? Can I get leather pants like those?
Get a bad one.
Are you kidding me? Come on!
Level 1. Air combo.
Face me! Vengeance away!
So close, look at that! No! So close, look at that! Look at that! It's true, huh? I love those trousers. Come on, Sakura. Come on.
Level 1. Fight!
I'm gonna trash her. I'm gonna try.
Get a bad one.
Oh, come on. How am I gonna do this? I'm not doing anything! Look at this! Look at this! No! First damage, but I didn't do much damage.
Hell awaits!
I have to move it! Move it! It's hard to attack her, but once you get close to her, I think. You see? GG, sucker! That's it, enough flirting. We can get back to the bone jokes.
Enough! By what power do you dare command me, mortal?
I need only reason.
And failing that, Ebony and Ivory here can be very persuasive.
Oh, Dante, we were only playing.
Oh, I've seen how your playtime ends, Morrigan. How's it going, Ghost Rider? Haven't seen you since the Convergence.
I sensed a great evil moving unseen through the mortal realm that day, preying on the souls of the innocent and the forgotten. The echoes of their pain have led me here.
Spooky.
It is more serious than you know. All life stands upon the edge of extinction. We have come in search of a stone of great power.
Ah, you speak of the Stone of Souls. I've seen it in Lord Jeddah's possession.
The Dark Messiah has the Soul Stone. That is a dangerous combination indeed.
I can help you find him. He and I are close. Oh, don't be jealous.
We would be most. Huh? Where is Sir Arthur?
Here.
Come with me.
Stay behind us, my Lady Morrigan.
Oh, don't worry about me, Arthur. I can take care of myself. Not all women are princesses in need of rescuing.
Tell that to the princess.
The Dark Entity.
And the Stone of Souls. Jeddah!
Morrigan, look on and marvel at my creation.
It is an abomination!
No! It is a weapon! A symbiote fed upon 1,000,000 human souls!
So many innocents sacrificed!
And still not yet enough to defeat Ultron Sigma! That will take 1,000,000 more!
Jeddah, listen to me! You are not yourself! The Soul Stone has corrupted you!
No, Morrigan. It has let me see the truth. What matter 1,000,000 human souls? 1,000,000,000! When all souls face extinction! I shall restore balance between life and death. It is time for the Dark Kingdom to rise!
Crazy son of a... Alright, let me put this a different way.
Take Jeddah. I will deal with the symbiote.
First, sorcerer! You all must deal with me.
Dormammu.
You are a fool to come here, Strange. This place shall be your grave.
Have you surrendered the Dark Dimension to Jeddah so easily? The Convergence has left you weakened, Dormammu.
Yet still more powerful than you.
That is awesome. Did you see who the devil is? Did you notice who the devil actually is? It's the... Okay, Big Boss got it. That looks like the exactly. Yes, Big Boss. You just said it before I did. GG. Yes, it is the devil from Ghosts and Goblins. That annoying... Those annoying devils that are hard to defeat.
We meet again, Firebrand. This time my
Firebrand
arm will not fall apart so easily.
He's called Firebrand, apparently.
Ready. Fight!
That is so awesome. I'm gonna play Ghosts and Goblins one of these days. Oh, Firebrand is out. It's called Firebrand. I don't know where they got the name from, but...
Supreme! Dimensional Rift! Reaper! Beware!
Even the way he moves, you can tell it's the same guy from Ghosts and Goblins.
Sorcerer Supreme! Level 1. This way. Reaper!
Crap, he's giving me a time.
Alright.
I always wanted to trash him, punch the crap out of this guy. Oh, he's defending now. That's okay. Trash Fireband. He's the problem with Arthur is that his hand is very short, so you need to be very close to hit him with your punch. Ah, he missed big time, but he was defending anyway.
Dimensional Rift! Sorcerer Supreme! Great! You're a Firebrand!
Level 1.
Let us begin!
Calm down.
Good attack, Reaper!
Come on, what was that? So close. Oh, so close. I was very close. Look at the damage I did. Oh, man.
Continue.
Don't Fireman have a game? I thought he had his own spin-off game. It was like sort of a Game Boy game, I think. It was... So maybe in that game he was referred to as Fireman or whatever. Yeah, but I remember them, if you set one of those off. Yeah, exactly, Big Boss. But there was a hack or a trick or something. If you hit him, you need to watch the AVGN episode about Ghosts and Goblins. If you are, I don't know if you're familiar with AVGN, Younger Video Game Nerd. He has a video about Ghosts and Goblins, and he found a trick where he hits him and then he walks away so that Fireband is out of the screen, and he keeps walking, and he despawns when he does that. That's rule number 1. Get the knife. So, judging from that sentence, I think you have watched AVGN, because that's what he talks about. Get the knife, get the knife, get the knife. There you go. There you go. Yes, you are, Seb. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, I love Fireband, huh? Alright, let's try again. Now, it can be defeated with any weapon, really. Not necessarily the knife, but the knife is the best. Let's try again. I feel like Doctor Strange is worse. I feel like Arthur was better. What the heck? I can't even attack. Dormammu. I don't even know Dormammu. I mean, I know he's a Marvel character, but I have no idea in which comic book he belongs to. Like, I know he's from the Marvel universe, but I don't know which story he belongs to. Is he a Doctor Strange character? The only maybe Julian can tell if Julian's watching. Sorry, I'm looking at chat rather than fighting. I don't know why I'm doing this. Wow, that was me. I didn't even get started this time. Maybe somebody can tell me who Dormammu, which comic book he belongs to Dormammu. Oh crap, that was bad. Alright, I might as well just restart the whole thing. Oh, is there no way to do this? No restart? No restart? Okay, just keep going then. I didn't even get started this time. He died. It's okay, GG. That's okay. Look at Sakura going. She's the next cheer. The only time I saw Dormammu was in the Spider-Man the Animated Series from 1994. He was trying to bring back... I think he was responsible for bringing Carnage to life. Because Spider-Man managed to send the symbiote back to the moon. But Dormammu managed to...
Run! Run! Destruction!
Really? Oh yeah, I'm defending, okay. So far so good. I'm playing with strategy rather than just button mashing. So anyway, there's the symbiote in the background. There's a... Oh crap, 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 defend, defend!
Level 3! Dimensional refrain of Sorcerer Supreme! Great! Beneficenti! Sorcerer Supreme! Destruction!
Oh my goodness.
Beneficenti!
Spectacular! Level 2, cool!
Sorcerer Supreme! Beneficenti!
Yes!
Disappear! Over here! Dimensional Rift Side!
Seriously? Crap, he defended. Really? Alright, one is down. The other one now.
You're exposed! Inferno! Reaper!
Level 1.
Sorcerer Supreme!
It's okay. I'm gonna do this.
Create your exposed die! Dimensional Rift Tower your exposed die! Arthur! Artist Wasteland! Ha-ha! Assist! Dimensional Rift Destruction! Reaper! Assist! Dimensional Rift Inferno! Reaper! Excellent! Stop the strain! Assist! Dimensional Rift die! Create Dimensional Rift Tower!
There's no way he's gonna touch me. There we go, GG. There we go. In your face, sucker.
It's beautiful. This evil must be contained. By the crimson bands of Sitarak!
Too late!
But the stone!
The battle is lost.
I think it's time to get out of here.
I quite agree.
I would like to jump into one of those portals.
Thanos is trapped, the tower unguarded. It's time that we finish him.
Remind me again why we're doing this?
The Infinity Stones are too powerful for mortals to wield. A device must be constructed to harness them.
Rhetorical question, Doc, but thank you. Spencer, can you pass me that coupling there?
Sure.
You know, I could whip you up a replacement. Something a little more sporty. A little less last place in the high school science fair.
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Kind of attached to it, huh?
Hawkeye to Stark. We've got movement. 7 clicks out. Multiple targets, closing fast. It's Ultron Sigma.
Charging shield. 60 seconds to full power.
Got a couple headed your way.
I have played it, Big Boss, but it's like just casually. I never actually sat down and tried to finish it, just played a level or two. But I know which one you're talking about. The ones I actually tried to play and finish was the one in the NES.
Stark, we've got unwanted company! Ready!
Keep defeating him until the tower shield gauge reaches maximum. The gauge will fill continuously while you fight. What gauge? Well, the tower shield gauge. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. Okay, here we go.
Fight! Good!
Oh, yeah, it's negative to break.
Super!
Is Super Ghosts and Ghosts on the SNES harder than the one on the NES? Does anybody know? Does anybody know?
Target applied. Here's the big one.
Oh, seriously?
Target applied. Here's the big one.
Oh, come on.
Sensor.
Okay, the gauge is almost full. Come on. Okay, Iron Man, switch out.
Target applied. Here's the big one. Proton cannon. Target applied. Here's the big one. Proton cannon.
Oh, we did this. Okay.
Shield activated.
Good job, Barton. Take a break.
Acknowledged.
Shield's holding at 80%. At this rate, it will be breached within minutes.
Great observation, Doc. Does anyone have something useful to share?
Shield at 60%.
Stark, we're on our own here. We need Thanos. We gotta let him free.
What's that word I'm searching for? No?
Shield at 40%.
Something funny, Grimace?
Tony Stark and Dr. Light. Two warmongers fighting for peace, yet responsible for so much horror. Are your hands any cleaner than mine? Your shield would not save you. Release me.
Danger! Shield at 20!
Guys, the pizza's here.
Thanos, we see you've traded one prison for another. Will you not bow before your god?
You are no god. You are a fool. You wield the greatest power in all creation, yet you wear them like trinkets, and use them like a child.
You have served your purpose. The remaining 4 Infinity Stones will soon be ours. How does it feel to know such power?
Dr. Light, hit it!
Oh, awesome. We're gonna fight as Thanos, I think. That's awesome. That was a good... Yeah, it's the Doctor from Mega Man. That's right, Big Boss. Yeah, that's right. Alright, I just looked at the leaderboard. Sakura's first with 93,000 pants.
You forget technique.
And then Icemax is next. Is second. And third is Toby.
The stones will not save you this time.
But there's a big jump between the first and the second, We need to find a way to make Sakura lose all her pants. Thanos is very shiny. Alright, Thanos, use your power.
Absolute power!
Cease to exist. Wow, we're trashing Sigma. Seriously, come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is your end! I'll obliterate you!
Level 1.
You're out, man! Final judgment!
He's gonna cut it close.
Useless! Counter! Suffer!
Oh, look at that! It's so close!
Continue.
This is getting old. Oh man. Yeah, but yeah, Sakura's first with 93,000, and then second, which is Isamax, and he's 29,000. How are we gonna make Sakura lose all her pants? Here's what we're gonna do. Oh, she's still winning. No, she's still winning. All right, Sakura, if you bet 90,000 coins. If you bet 90,000 coins, alright, 90. You have 93,000. I'm not gonna make you bet all of them. No, I'm not gonna make you bet all of them. If you bet 90,000 out of your 93,000, alright, if you bet all of them, if you lose them, you lose them, alright? But if you win, you're gonna get twice as much. No! What? You already bet? No, seriously, you didn't even let me finish my sentence. I will give everyone one pant. No, okay. If you bet all of them, all right, not all, 90,000. I will give everyone 9,000. I will give everyone 9,000. All right, come on, do it for everyone. Do it for everyone. Come on, convince everybody, convince her. If I lose them all. If you lose them all, you lose them all. GG. What do you get? You get GG. Sorry. Oh, hell no. Oh, come on, but it's a sacrifice. It's a risk. It's a gamble for everyone. How about over 9,000? Yes, Toby wins. It's over. I'll give you 9,001. I'll give everyone 9,001. If you win. If you lose, GG. Alright, let's do this. Alright, if you're gonna do it, don't do it while I'm playing, because I'll miss the action. Look at that, I almost trashed Sigma already.
Absolute power!
Cease to exist!
The thing is, Sigma's very agile. Thanos is very slow. Did you? No! No! That's just 9,001 you bet. You didn't bet 90,000. No. You just bet 9,000. You missed the zero.
On your place! Sovereign decree!
You didn't lose all of them. You only bet 9,000. You were supposed to bet 90,000.
Attack us! Get reality zone! Reality zone!
GG! No! You did not! No! Sakura!
You hurt me. You hurt us. That hurt. We must retreat and repair. In time, you will all come to us.
I like how he's referring to himself as us. It's like two people. I like that.
The Stone of Power lies at the heart of the space station, No Moon.
We've been able to identify its precise location. Here, within the station's gravitron core.
No Moon's defenses won't be easily breached. We'll need a diversion.
So, do you take, like, regular batteries?
And what of Grandmaster Mayo?
Engage him only as a last resort. Our priority is that stone. Understood?
Yeah.
Looks like it could really do some damage. What's the biggest thing you ever killed with that bad boy, huh?
Rocket, are you listening?
Yeah. Crash No Moon, find the core, nab the power stone, boom! Home in time for cocktails.
That's actually pretty good.
Going somewhere?
I'm going after the Grandmaster.
Then I'm coming with you.
Major Danvers.
What?
You'll have your diversion. Make it count.
No, wait!
Ninjas.
Hey, I don't make anyone gamble their pants, alright? I just extend a challenge to make it interesting. I just extend, what do we call it? Make it interesting. I just make it interesting. Now I'm playing as Gamora. You got a challenge for it? Yes, give me challenges, Cheer. You know I'm all for challenges. You know, challenge accepted. Whoopsie. You know, this is the first Marvel vs. Capcom that has... Did I die? What the heck just happened? Wait a sec. What? Look at that. I won. No. Oh, time is up. That's what happened. Time up. Okay, that's what happened. Okay. Bet all your pants. Hold on. Bet all your pants. If you win, take my wrench away. If you lose, give everyone 1,000. Bet all your pants. If you win, take my wrench away. If you... Alright, here we go. Bet all my... I don't even have that many pants, though. I mean, I don't care about my pants. So it's not really a risk for me, really. But I'll do it. Why not? Let me see how many I have. So I was saying, this is the first Marvel vs. Capcom 3201. I don't have many. Here we go. Bet. Here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. I won. So, if you win, take my wrench away. I won. Cheerful Gamer is no longer a moderator for this channel. Look, it's Koala Bear! Hey, I was just thinking about yesterday. Yesterday I was going through some of my old streams, and I noticed a few regulars back in the day. Like, oh man, I wonder what happened to that person and that person and that person. So many people that, you know, vanished throughout the years. This year. I was thinking about Mac Knight. I haven't seen Mac Knight in ages. You guys remember Mac Knight? What happened to Mac Knight? You know? Anyway, let's go back. I continue, yes.
Level 1.
20 seconds to defeat these guys? That it?
Slicing dice.
That's one.
Take the top layer.
There we go, I did it, GG. I haven't seen McKnight in a very long time. You saw McKnight yesterday? Alright, I guess he boycotted me. I thought something happened to him.
This
I haven't seen McKnight in ages,
Grandmaster
even on
Mayo.
Discord. I don't know, maybe he boycotted me.
He is no man. He is the Lord of Darkness, capable of corrupting life itself, reshaping it to his own twisted desire.
It seems you know him well.
I have fought the Grandmaster for 1,000 years, dying 1,000 deaths, as if my fate is forever bound to his.
But this time, you will not face him alone. Strider.
He's a man of his word.
Huh? Hey, who's the action figure?
Zero? Zero? No. I am Oblivion. His core routines have been rewritten by the Grandmaster.
Nova, Major, get to the core. We got this. Go!
Be careful.
I saw what just happened, Sakura. Yes, you bet everything and you got twice as much again. GG, well done. Hey Brett, welcome. How are you, Brett? Nice to see you. Yeah, the Mega Man, apparently.
What should we do? It's like Einstein said. If something's broke, hit it till it works.
Ready.
I'm assuming this is the Mega Man universe. Yeah, as you know, it's from...
Too slow. Good. Full charge. Too slow. Danger. Good. Too slow. Let's dance. Rock and roll. Drop it. I'm here to murder you. Good.
Oh yeah, and Cheer, I forgot to reply to you. Yes. Their health comes back when they're like idle. As you can see, Rocket Raccoon's life is going back. Is coming back up. So it's good to be strategic when you switch characters. You see, Rocket Raccoon's life is back now. There we go. There we go. Hey, cool.
Yes.
X, what happened?
You tried to kill us, but no hard feelings, huh?
Come, bear witness to the death of your world. The virus shall remake the Earth in Ultron Sigma's image. The drones shall destroy any who resist.
Alright. Yeah, that was awesome.
Ultron Sigma believes we are making a perfect universe. I am merely content to see your kind suffer.
Ready.
I will build my...
By the way, somebody asked about Nova. I don't know who Nova is, but I know that in the Guardians of the Galaxy universe, there's the Nova Corps. Is he like one of the guys from Nova Corps? I don't know. They're calling him Nova and he's wearing like the helmets from Nova Corps. Is it like that guy? It's like the cops, the space cops or something.
All worlds must bow before us. Good. Yes.
You want to switch to Miss Marvel? Let's go to Miss Marvel so you guys can see her.
To the ultimate power.
She's pretty.
I am far beyond your pathetic.
But then again, I always had a thing for blondes. Time to do this. Let's try again. Wow. Alright, that's it. Melee attack.
Counter.
Seriously, 3 attacks? And they defended. Oh, one of Washington got damage now.
I have evolved far beyond your pathetic. All worlds must bow before us. Eternal peace. All worlds must bow before us.
Yeah. One last hit. Wow.
Too slow. Die.
Oh, nice. Okay, hold on. Cheer has something to say about what I said. Looking booty is better than Morgan. Really? You think so? Cool. I don't know. I think Morgan's booty is like.
Grandmaster.
I think. Hold on, let's watch the cutscene. I'll tell you.
Noble to the last.
I merely wanted you to know who it was that ended your existence.
You forget, Strider. Death has no dominion over me!
Yet still you die.
You have my thanks.
Those words must feel strange on your tongue.
It looks so insignificant.
Don't be deceived by its appearance. The stone is a source of unimaginable power.
Oh, Power Stone! The name makes sense, now you explained it like that.
X, take the stone.
I don't know. Do I have the right to wield its power? Am I...
Got it! Let's go. Uh-oh.
Neogenesis protocol initiated. Sigma virus ready for deployment. Purging core.
X, what's going on? What is it?
The Gravitron core. It's a weapon. Its payload... the Sigma virus. The target... Earth.
Where?
Oh, man. Just wait till Mom and Dad get home.
The Titan is free.
Long story. We've lost the Soul Stone.
It is in the possession of the Dark Messiah, Jeddah. He has raised a symbiote, fed upon 1,000,000 souls.
I think we found your missing stone.
Along with the demon and his giant pet?
Where?
I sense more stones nearby. Yes, with their power, I shall save this wretched world!
Never mind, we see you. We're on our way.
Could have taken the elevator. All right, anybody have any more bad news they'd like to share?
Stark, this is Captain Marvel. Come in.
Reading you, Carol. You have the Power Stone?
Affirmative. We also have a problem. No Moon ejected its core, carrying the Sigma virus and heading your way. Projected point of impact, 2 miles north of central New Metro City.
Convenient.
This tech's like nothing we've seen. We've given it everything we've got and barely scratched it.
Do what you can. If that virus reaches Earth...
Acknowledged.
Stark, come in.
Finally. Go ahead, Captain.
We have the time stone. Approaching the city now. ETA 7 minutes.
Make it 3.
We've got to stop that thing!
They're symbiotes. They're vulnerable to high-frequency vibration. A signal generator, church bells?
We're in the wrong neighborhood for church bells, buddy.
I got it.
No, wait! Oh, man, not again!
Man, that was awesome. Anyway, I wanted to address something that Koala said. She said like that Marvel's booty was better than Morgan's. I don't know. I think Morgan's booty is a sucker would say. Man, I don't know if you were lurking, Koala, but earlier we were in AI Umbrella and there was Nemesis. They made BOWs out of... Umbrella made BOWs out of the symbiote. It was interesting. We fought BOWs.
Behold my masterpiece! You shall be the first to offer it your soul!
Oh no.
Ready!
Black Spider-Man.
Fight!
Oh, he's so agile! Oh yeah, you mentioned something about Mario, so let's go! Let's go! Woohoo! Mario time! Okay, time to change to Frank West. I like that he used the plunger. Is that a broom now? Is he fighting with a broom?
Let me borrow
Hagar? Who's Hagar? I haven't seen him. Who is Hagar? I don't know.
Son of a gun!
Get the stone back to the tower! Go!
You may have escaped the symbiote, but you will not escape me! Surrender the stone, and I'll allow you to keep your soul!
If I had $1 for every time I heard that line.
Jeddah! End this, please! The humans are
They
not—
are the cattle on which we feed. This is merely a culling of the herd.
will endure the suffering of everyone.
Endure it?
I will savor it.
Did you guys see that in this picture? There's the Avengers Tower on one side and the Umbrella head office on the other. Look at that! That is amazing! What an amazing picture. I like that.
The souls you have taken, Lord Jeddah, I will have you pay for them in pain!
Tell me, demon.
I like how Morrigan is following
to atone for your sins.
is following Ghost Rider around.
Nice!
She likes the bone.
Be engulfed by the dark.
Did you enjoy
Super! Ghost Rider!
Level 1. Air combat. Good.
Face me! Vengeance awaits!
Super! Worship me! It's no soul playtime is over.
He got his health back?
Soul Stone!
Face me! Vengeance awaits!
Super!
Face me! Vengeance awaits!
Soul Stone!
He's trying to use the Soul Stone again, but hasn't recharged yet. So now's my chance. Yeah, he's calling it the Soul Stone, you see, but it's not working.
Can you dodge this?
Spectacular! Yes!
Soul Stone!
Can you dodge this?
Good!
There we go, GG.
Yes!
Stark, we could use a little help here.
Cavalry's on its way.
Very well. If I cannot kill the body, I shall cut off the head. You can play with the symbiote.
Yeah, that's right. You better run. Oh, hi guys.
Stark, heads up! Aw, Cap. And I didn't get you anything.
We're passing through the atmosphere, attempting to neutralize the virus.
Carol, you're breaking up. Say again.
Attempt failed. The core has entered the atmosphere.
Then there's nothing more you can do. Get back to the city. We could use you here.
Acknowledged. Sorry, Cap.
So what options do we have?
Let's see. Death by explosion, death by virus, or death by symbiote.
Or all of the above.
Ah, to hell with this. I'm done babysitting. Nova, Major, get ready. I'm coming with you.
Yes. Huh? There is a way. If you are willing to trust me.
Rocket, we need X and Zero back here now.
Working on it, Cap.
Captain, we have company.
Damn it! Protect the time stone!
That was awesome. I'm really enjoying this. It's like watching a movie. Yeah, I wouldn't trust Thanos either. But I'm guessing he's gonna ask for the Infinity Stones. He's gonna ask for all of them. I think that's what he's gonna ask for. Oh.
Ready!
So, press L1 for an Infinity Surge and a special power that differs depending on your Infinity spell. Using Infinity Surge charges the Infinity Stone gauge. Okay. Alright. What about Dante, by the way? He keeps calling his guns Ebony and Ivory. Does he do that in the actual game? I don't know. I'm not familiar. I've never played Devil May Cry.
Fight! Yeah! No need for the traffic.
Oh my goodness, he trashed me.
Soul Stone! Captain America!
For peace! Charging Star! You! Side Stone! Side Stone! Side Stone!
Soul Stone! Soul Stone!
Hadouken!
Eviscerate! You cannot withstand! Soul Stone!
Time Stone! Time Stone! Time Stone! Time Stone! Time Stone! Never surrender! First, Charging Star! Great! For peace! Charging Star! Great!
Danger!
Time Stone!
Being engulfed by the dark!
Oh crap, this is not good. No, I never played Devil May Cry. It's not my thing. I don't know why. I think it's because of the fact that it originated from Resident Evil 4. I'm like, this was a Resident Evil 4 wannabe, so... so I'm like, I'm not okay with that. Come on. Oh, he got his health back. Oh,
Soul Stone! Gouge!
Wonderful! Don't give up! There's always a way!
Air combo! Good! Level 2! Level 1! Air combo! Good!
Oh, come on!
Captain America!
Come here! Be consumed! Number 1!
First, Charging Star!
Great! Yes!
You!
Level 3!
There we go!
They say that the enemy of my enemy is my friend. But you, Captain, are the exception that proves the rule. No! Such power. A pity I must destroy it. Along with you.
Intriguing.
I think that Thanos is gonna gain their trust. He's gonna do something and he's gonna gain everyone's trust, and then they will trust him with the Infinity Stones.
You think you know power, demon? I will show you power.
If you crave death, Titan, you shall have it.
Ready! Fireball! Worship me! Soul Stone! Handball!
Absolute power! Final judgment!
Soul Stone! Handball! Soul Stone!
Move! Move! Treason! You're outmatched! Final judgment!
Excellent!
Absolute power!
Enter the banquet of the abyss. Surrender your life to me. Soul Stone! Soul Stone! Gouge! Eviscerate! Soul Stone! Handball! Soul Stone! Eviscerate! Soul Stone! Handball!
Oh, come on! I'm not gonna make it.
Soul Stone! Soul Stone!
It's close, but no. You need a better strategy.
Continue. Level 1. Fight!
Eviscerate! Handball! Soul Stone! Handball! Handball!
I'll keep you! My judgment is law!
Handball! Handball! You're over!
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing any damage.
Soul Stone!
Hey kid, welcome!
Being engulfed by the
Oh man, I'm getting trashed.
How was that? Super! Soul Stone! Soul Stone!
Oh my goodness, really? My goodness. Seeing Thanos get wrecked like that, and I didn't even do any damage to him. What?
Level 1. Fight!
I'm going all in now. Oh yeah, like this. That's how I'm gonna go. All out like this. I like that. Cease to exist. I'm not doing anything to him. Look at that, no damage. He's full health. I'm getting angry now, huh? I did better when I fought him the first time. Now, oh my goodness. Oh man.
Absolute power! Cease to exist!
Stylish.
Absolute power! Cease to exist!
I'm not gonna do this.
Being engulfed by the darkness. Soul Stone!
Because he has an Infinity Stone. I don't. Oh man.
Continue. Level 1. Fight!
You're helpless!
Piercing it! Cool!
Absolute power! Final judgment! Handball! Cool! Handball! Handball! On your place!
Oh man! Because he's very slow.
Handball! Absolute power! Final judgment!
Excellent!
Handball!
Do I got this? No, I don't got this. Oh my goodness! What did he do? He put him on paper. Come on, man.
Level 1. Fight!
Absolute power! Final judgment!
Excellent!
Because I need to punch him, that's why I keep walking to him.
Soul Stone! Eviscerate! Be engulfed by the darkness!
His hands are short, I cannot hit him. Oh my god.
Be engulfed by the darkness!
Level 1.
Yes! Soul Stone!
I'll teach you! My judgment is low!
I don't know what he's saying. Namco, Namco. Oh, I like this. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. No damage. I think something like that, Toby. I don't know if you said it's a joke, but I think that's what I think it has a significance, something like that, probably.
Eviscerate! Soul Stone!
He's so slow, he can't run. Cease to exist, I love that. Oh, he's gonna do it again. No, he didn't.
Continue.
Did I say no? No, I thought I said no by mistake.
Soul Stone! Soul Stone! Soul Stone! Piercing inside! Yes! Handball! Handball! Yes! You're all fast! Cease to exist! Level 2. Excellent!
If I can walk up to him, I cannot do the attacks.
Yes! Soul Stone!
Absolute power! Final judgment!
Soul Stone! Take off!
He's very agile and my character is very slow. But this laser is awesome. Oh, come on!
Soul Stone! Soul Stone! Soul Stone! Soul One! Yes! You're off now! Cease to exist! Soul Stone! Eviscerate! Soul Stone! Cool! Handball! Soul Stone! Handball! Soul Stone! Freeze it! Eviscerate! Yes! Freeze it! Soul Stone! Take off! Soul Stone! Soul Stone! Be engulfed by the darkness!
I'm tired of this.
Continue. Level 1. Fight!
Alright, so far so good. I like this. I like the pew pew laser.
Soul Stone! Eviscerate! Soul Stone!
Oh, come on!
You're off, man! Cease to exist! Level 2. Excellent! Handball! Soul Stone! Be engulfed by the darkness!
Getting angry now, huh?
How's that? Soul Stone! Soul Stone! You're off, man! Cease to exist! Handball! Cool! Soul Stone! Handball! Good! Be gone! Handball! Soul Stone! Yes! Freeze it! Soul Stone! Absolute power! Handball! Counter! Counter! Freeze it!
I don't have control over this.
Eviscerate! Yes! Freeze it! Be gone! Gouge! Be gone! Be gone! Yes! Freeze it! Eviscerate!
Oh!
Absolute power!
I'm not doing anything.
Be gone! Handball! Soul Stone!
I'm getting angry now.
Continue.
I'm gonna Try a few more times, then I rage.
Level 1. Fight!
Eviscerate! Gouge! Handball! Soul Stone! Gouge! Handball! Eviscerate!
Man, he does one combo after the other. It doesn't even let me. Oh, look at that! Freaking cheap. Oh man.
Eviscerate! Enter the banquet of the abyss. Move! Your helpless! Soul Stone! Move! Yes! Handball! Yes! Handball! 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 Move! Your helpless! Absolute power! Final judgment! Eviscerate! Handball! Be engulfed by the darkness! Eviscerate! Soul Stone! Handball! You're helpless! Be gone! Enter the banquet of the
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
How was that? Soul Stone! Eviscerate! Handball! Soul Stone!
Oh my god.
Handball! Soul Stone! Eviscerate! Soul Stone! Be gone! Absolute power!
Of course, he can block it.
Eviscerate! Soul Stone! Eviscerate!
I have a great time. Is it buffering? Is it just for you though?
Good. Continue.
Is it buffering for everyone else? It's just you. I don't know. It seems to be okay from here though. I'm not losing any frames according to OBS. Oh my goodness! I wasn't even. I'm so angry now, huh?
Final judgment. Excellent. Soul Stone.
Yeah, I think the strategy is him coming to me, but
Counter. Eviscerate.
I'm gonna try it actually.
Be gone. Soul Stone. Soul Stone. Be engulfed by the darkness. Soul Stone. Piercing insight. Freezing. Handball. Air combo. Good. Freezing. Handball.
Oh, I was blocking. What the heck?
Soul Stone. Absolute power.
Worse.
Soul Stone. Gouge. Handball. Handball. Rip apart. Handball. Soul Stone.
Hey, Nick.
Eviscerate. Eviscerate.
This game is kicking my ass right now.
Be gone. Soul Stone.
Oh. Oh, you're kidding me.
Soul Stone! Be engulfed by the darkness!
I was blocking!
Eviscerate! Handball! Handball! Danger! Handball! Cool! Handball! Eviscerate! Handball! 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 Level 1! Handball! I'll keep sovereign decree!
I think it's the first time I got him into danger.
Counter!
But that's as far as it goes. That's as far as it goes. It doesn't even let me stand again. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry!
Piercing insight! Gouge! Handball! Soul Stone! Handball! Handball! Eviscerate! Eviscerate! Be engulfed by the darkness! Handball! Soul Stone! Level 1! Yes!
Oh my goodness. And GG. Wow, I'm getting angry now. I'm losing my patience.
Continue.
You know the best part is, I actually switched to easier mode and I still can't defeat him. I'm blocking! Yeah, of course.
Handball! Handball! Worship! Handball! 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 Handball!
Getting angry now. I'm losing my patience.
I'll keep! My judgment is law! Think off! Soul Stone! Handball! Yes! Danger!
No, don't you dare.
Handball! Handball! Absolute power! Cease to exist! Handball! Soul Stone!
Oh my goodness!
Gouge! Handball! Handball! Move! Eviscerate! Think off! Eviscerate! Gouge! Handball!
Look, it's Timothy!
Think off! Handball! Kneel! Soul Stone! Move! Yes! Counter! Yes! Soul Stone! Eviscerate!
You bought our round 5? That's awesome!
Handball! Handball!
If I don't do this, I'm gonna rage quit.
Soul Stone! Yes! Soul Stone! Handball! Eviscerate!
Oh, finally! I did it! That took forever. Oh, man.
Damn you, Thanos! May the symbiote consume you all!
Let him go.
We need those stones here. Now!
Spidey!
Get the stone to X!
Definitely your color.
Ready to fire.
Dr. Strange, can you redirect?
Of course, Captain. I have it in hand.
Now!
The Sigma virus! We're too late!
Captain, they are down.
Hey, Malteser. Sorry, I'm being quiet during the cutscenes.
I know the name of every soul that has ever lived and died, and ever will. Yet, I do not know yours, demon. Explain.
Mistress Death, I am Jedidoma, and I am not of this realm. Mine is a universe beyond your reach, where heroes never truly die. I can give them to you.
And what is it you seek in return?
Equilibrium. More live now than have ever died in my universe, as in yours. They covet that, which in truth they owe to us in tribute.
Their souls. What then do you propose?
A union. Our two universes, reborn as one. A perfect balance between life and death.
Such an undertaking will require all 6 stones of power.
Ah, the Infinity Stones.
There is one who desires them, desires me above all else.
How may I serve you, my mistress?
I tire of this universe. I wish for it to change.
If it pleases you.
The Space Stone. The first of 6.
The Reality Stone is lost.
Not lost, concealed. In this other universe. Behind an impenetrable wall.
Impenetrable to us, not to all. Not to Ultron.
An intriguing proposition, Titan. And yet, I could kill you now and claim the power of these stones as mine. What need have I for you?
You have no soul, machine. The true power of the stones will remain forever beyond your reach. But this city and its wonders can be yours.
A power to rival that of the Infinity Stones.
The Space Stone will take us to the city's edge. But the barrier...
To breach the city's shield, I need simply will it so.
I could destroy you now, Insurgent. Purge you from these systems. Rewrite you from the inside out.
And I, you, Sigma.
Both of us would perish. A pity. Your code is impressive.
Yours is almost poetry. A hymn to order and reason. Yet your form is ugly. A grotesque parody of flesh.
It is one of many I have inhabited. Merely a tool. I feel no affection for it.
Then let us form an alliance. Let me set you free.
To what end?
All biological life must be exterminated. The soul's fire extinguished.
Agreed. But how?
With violence.
There is another way. Allow me to show you. You are here at last.
A device that siphons power. Ultron!
Our name is Ultron Sigma. We have become as one, and the terms of our deal have changed.
Disappointing. You have made a grave mistake, Ultron.
No.
I was just saying the same thing here. It's awesome how we now know what happened. He's gonna trash him and send him to prison or something. I don't know. I'm trashing him big time because I'm very agile and Thanos is very slow. This is an easy fight, and we know according to the story, Ultron is supposed to trash him. So I'm meant to win this one.
It's over! Destruction wave! It's over! Destruction wave! It's over!
Wow, 3 attacks and he... That's fine, I'll just keep doing melee.
Counter! On your place! Sovereign decree! Good! It's over! Destruction wave!
That's it. There we go. Let's keep watching.
Fool, you have given us the tools of your own extinction. The living of 2 universes shall be laid to rest in a single grave. Where there is sinew, let there be steel.
Well, what do you know?
The dispersal of the virus was relatively limited. No more than 10 blocks have been exposed. And at minimal levels. It could have been much worse.
But we were exposed.
Confirmed. I'm detecting traces in the system of every one of us. Synthetic and organic alike.
How much time do we have before we turn?
It's hard to say. Hours rather than days. I can find no way to suppress the progress of the virus. If we're to stop it, Ultron Sigma must be destroyed.
You've all fought well, and with honor. We've lost allies and friends. No one could ask any more of you. And yet I must. Ultron Sigma has 2 of the 6 Infinity Stones. Space and reality. We have 3. But if we're to stop Ultron Sigma, stop the virus, we need a 4th. We need the Soul Stone.
Jeddah has returned to the Dark Kingdom with the Soul Stone in his possession.
His mind has been corrupted by the stone. I can no longer reach him.
I'll handle Jeddah.
You're sure?
He's a demon. I'm a demon hunter. It's a match made in hell.
Even if we retrieve the 4th stone, we cannot yet regulate the stone's power.
Thank you, Dr. Downer.
Much as it hurts to say it, the doc's not wrong. The device is trashed, the tower's reactor's toast.
Whoa! Hold up with the tech speak there, Stark.
Only the technology of Able City can save you now.
He's not lying. Not about Able City's tech, at least.
How know you this?
Trust me.
Take me there, and I will help you complete your device.
Able City was destroyed when our 2 universes collided.
No. Able City was the epicenter for the convergence. Sigma's laboratory survives.
A suicide mission into the heart of enemy territory? I'm interested. Tell me more.
We have no other choice.
There seems to be a lot of that going around.
And what of the rest of us?
We'll take the fight to Ultron Sigma. Keep him occupied.
You know, we barely made it out of there last time.
This time is different. The Reality Stone is cracked. He's hurt, vulnerable.
And we're desperate.
But we're not alone.
You must strike now, before he can repair himself, before this virus consumes you all.
Understand, everything depends on you 2. On the Soul Stone and the device. If you fail...
It's an awesome responsibility.
Hey, we're awesome guys.
Yeah. Nice.
My God, we're doomed.
Listen, do not let your guard down with that guy, even for a second. I'm serious.
They say Thanos risked his life for us.
Yeah, sure. Just watch yourself, okay?
This is it, my friend. See you on the other side.
Our journey here has drained the last of the Bifrost's power.
We were lucky to get this far.
Still, we cannot leave the way we came.
Any news from Able City?
Hey, I'm sure Zero will make it.
And if he don't make it, we'll all be dead in an hour. Yeah. So, you know, don't worry about it.
Do you feel it? A void.
The absence of life, of souls.
No birdsong, no insects. No wind, even.
My spider sense. I'm picking up nothing.
This city is a grave.
All right, let's move. Or we're all gonna share their fate.
Heroes, you've returned, as we foretold. Your bodies seem eager to join us. Soon your minds will follow.
Go to hell.
Alright guys, I'm gonna call it. It's time to end it. It's getting late for me. It's 2:15 AM right here, and have to be up at 6. So that's
ready.
So that's less than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's less than 4 hours. I have to be up in less than 4 hours. Yeah, it's a very interesting story. I have no idea why Zero has those green orbs. I didn't even notice them, to be honest with you. I have no idea, but it's a very interesting story. It's like watching a movie, and sometimes you just get to fight with the characters. I'm really enjoying this, but I'm gonna end this stream. It's been awesome. I'm gonna continue it next time, probably tomorrow. We'll see. I can stream tomorrow. I'm wondering if I should continue this right away and just finish it. I'm gonna go. Thank you to everyone that hung out with me. You guys are awesome. You're fantastic. You're lovely, beautiful people. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure. I'll stream tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll continue this right away. I don't want it to end, and I have a feeling I'm gonna finish it right away. So I might stream something different. We'll see. We shall see. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Ciao.